Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access themes. Now select themes at the bottom left corner and pick one of those, or tap on this loop at the top right one. Now type in wherever you wish to. Click on your new theme, in my case this one, and tap on download. Following that, select apply and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into exactly the same theme settings, but this time select menu at the bottom right corner. Now tap on My Stuff next to Wish List and select Default Theme. Lastly, hit Apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!